Imagine taking a great photo on your Xiaomi Redmi A5 and wishing it had a little personal touch. Maybe your name, the device model, or a stylish film frame. Your phone actually has a built-in watermark feature that lets you brand every photo automatically, and you can customize it any way you like. Here's how to turn the camera watermark on or off. Open the camera app. Tap the drop-down arrow at the top center of the screen to reveal the quick menu. From the options, tap Watermark. To enable it, tap the On switch. Choose between Film Frame and Regular. If you select Film Frame, you'll be able to adjust the time, position, and background color to match the look you want. If you prefer adding your own text, tap Regular. Tap Custom Text. Type in the words you want to appear on your photos, then tap the check mark to save it. Next, tap Watermark Position to choose where the watermark will appear, either at the top or bottom of your picture. You can also toggle on the time and device model switches if you want those details included automatically. Now, take a sample photo to see how it looks. If you're not happy with the placement, style, or text, just go back into the Sim menu and adjust the settings until it's perfect. And that's it. A personalized watermark gives your photos a clean signature touch. If this helped you customize your Redmi A5 camera, give it a like or check out another tutorial to learn more creative features.